What is the most important marketing tool to increase your sales? Now, about flyers, billboards, radio, TV commercials, or some sort of paid advertising for your business is actually a very great idea. But then you must understand that this generation and its influence on consumers goes beyond the one-sided marketing style or strategy. It has become a two-way thing. You know what I'm talking about. The fact is, when most people think of marketing, they think of flyers, billboards, radio, TV commercials, and some sort of paid advertising, and then they forget to think about people being a marketing tool. The most important and effective marketing tool in your company is you and the people in your company. The fact that you don't demand of yourself or them to market is a big error being made. The world is spending unbelievable amounts of time on the internet doing research or using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. to be able to reach out to customers and be able to create a one-on-one interaction with them. And guess what? The more those resources are being used to reach and communicate to prospective targets, the more valuable the personal contacts become. You should absolutely dominate your market using virtual marketing to keep your clients thinking about you. But don't let that be your sole dependence when you think marketing. What about making a personal visit, making a personal phone call, or sending a personal text message, and where possible, even writing a personal letter to them? Don't use one avenue to market. Use all of them, even old school. For example, you could just send a text or call someone you know and say something like this. Hi, this is Tim. I just came by your streets to shop for my kids, and I thought to stop by and say hi. That's an old school, right? But then, it isn't. Listen here, the most important marketing tool that you have is you and your people. You are the people's business, not the billboard, TV, radio business that is mostly one-sided. Note that you want to be everywhere, so everyone can see and buy from you. So you must begin to approach marketing using every means available. But importantly, understand that it's about you. Send mails, make phone calls, send text messages, visit personally, and dominate with other traditional and non-traditional means of marketing that you can lay your hands on. And if you don't have it, then go out and find it. Taking a few minutes to just see how someone is doing or chatting to know how someone is faring will actually guarantee you a much higher chance of winning their business later on. Remember, if you take a smart, consistent, personable, and aggressive approach to marketing, you and your business will be guaranteed to find success. Now, for more details on how you can make an effective marketing strategy work for you, you can grab a copy of my book, How to Start a Business Without Money. This is just my way of supporting small businesses like me. And of course, encourage those who don't have jobs to get into sales and marketing and begin to raise income for themselves. Very easy way to start your own life in big. To succeed here, you must be organized and have enough skills that people will only pay to have it. Enjoy your day.